Hello and welcome to a second part of the video on stock market. Let us take it ahead from the question in our last video, which was, is stock market gambling? Let's look at some statistics. Recently, there was in news that world stock markets have crossed $100 trillion and Indian stock market share is $2.4 trillion, yani ki 180 lakh crore rupees. Foreign portfolio investors and foreign institutional investors have been one of the biggest drivers for Indian financial markets and have invested around 12.9 trillion rupees in India between 2020 and 2021. This is as per data as on September 2020. Highly developed primary and secondary markets have been attracting FIIs and FPIs to this country. These investments come because we are a regulated market, regulated by SEBI. These investments come to us because they know that investing in stock market is not gambling, but a structured way to generate wealth. तो ये हुआ आपके पहले सवाल का जवाब. You can start investing in stock market with as low as 1,000 rupees. Can you give me an example of any such business where investment is as low as that? Any business with a product, you need to invest in stock, machinery, and other investments. However, not a high investment to enter in the stock market. Mr. Nair, जो 50 साल के हैं, वो बैंक जाते हैं और FD में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो है at 6% इंटरेस्ट रेट. तो एक साल के बाद उनको मिलेंगे 1,06,000. लेकिन उसी साल में इन्फ्लेशन का रेट था 5.5%. तो एक्चुअली उनके पैसे तो सिर्फ बढ़े 0.5% से. और अगर इसमें हम टैक्स को जोड़े तो शायद उन्होंने कुछ भी पैसे नहीं कमाए, बावजूद इसके कि उन्होंने तो इन्वेस्ट किया था. Another thing that is important about investing is that returns that you generate must be greater than inflation. So choosing the avenue that beats inflation will only create wealth in the long run. Stock market investing has the potential to generate double-digit returns if done with a proper process and a system of investing. और एक जरूरी बात आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा. Average number of trades that take place every month is more than 3,000 lakh. So both our markets, BSE and NSE, are highly regulated, and the brokers who are the members of these stock exchanges provide us platform for us as clients, which are also very safe. We never come to know who has bought the shares we have sold or from whom we have bought those shares. Regulators like SEBI have made the process so smooth that it's very easy and convenient for us to transact on these exchanges. The most important thing that got me interested in the stock market is the exit. Why? Because the moment I decide that I want to exit from any stock, I just sell it and the money comes back to my account within 3 days. Now, isn't this amazing? In stock market, everything is transparent and clear in communicating that there are risks associated with it and is one of the most regulated, thus a fair platform for everyone. It treats small and large investors equally. These are the few advantages we thought all of you must know before you take the first step in the world of stock market investing. Jate jate, do have a look at this chart. This is a chart of Sensex of Bombay Stock Exchange. We saw 1992 scam, 2000 dot-com crisis, 2008 subprime crisis. In spite of all this, today the markets are going up. Why? ये हमारे स्टॉक मार्केट का इनहेरेंट यानी मूल स्वभाव है टू गो अप, as stock market is a forward indicator. So take your first step with confidence and remember, investment is subject to market risk. Stock market investing is like planting a tree, and the fruits from this tree can be in multiples. So until next time, happy investing. Do write into us with your suggestions and queries regarding personal finance. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Money Matters Talks. Press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.